his parents. He's a Bible by the bed. He's the t-shirt that I'm wearing. He's a song stuck in my head. He's solid and he's steady like the Allegheny runs. He knows just where he's going and he's proud of where he's from. One of the good ones. He's one of the good ones. Nobody does it better, oh, the way he pulls me in. I've known a couple bad ones, but they all led me to him. He's one of the good ones. Love me like he should, one like he wrote the book, one the kind you find when you don't even look, one anybody can be good ones, but he's good. Time. He's one of the good ones, and he's on mine. He's one of the good ones.
If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe here for more. If you didn't know, we do have a website, ballroom.com. So this is actually an example of a custom wedding choreography that we created for 2 of our clients here. So if you want us to create a special dance for your song, go ahead and check out our packages. We have 2 programs in the description box below. This choreography is also now available for purchase, already curated, just as you see here, and you can learn it step by step. You can check that out as well. And I'll see you guys very soon in the next one. Bye.